In our previous videos, we have looked at the terrestrial habitat. We have learned how different animals adapt to their surroundings on land. Now let us look at the aquatic habitat. What does it mean? As the name suggests, aqua is water. So the habitat mainly consisting of water bodies is called an aquatic habitat. Can you name some typical water bodies? Water bodies include oceans, rivers, ponds, and lakes. For our convenience, aquatic habitats are divided into two major categories: freshwater habitat and marine habitat. Freshwater, as you would imagine, is water not containing salt. Examples of these habitats include rivers, lakes, and ponds. So what will marine water habitat be? It is an aquatic habitat with salt water in it, which means the oceans or the seas form the marine water habitat. In spite of all these habitats having only water, the conditions in each can be different. For example, some of these may be shallow, others deep, some can have cold water, others are warm, and finally, some may have higher oxygen levels than the others. A variety of animals dwell in such water bodies. Right from huge whales and large sharks to small sea snails, jellyfish and crabs, a variety of organisms are found. So what kind of adaptations are seen in these animals to live and swim efficiently? How do they adapt? To understand this, think about what we need to do in order to swim underwater. We have to be well equipped with an uninterrupted oxygen supply. Professional divers use flippers or swim fins so that they can efficiently move their feet while swimming. All the equipment is carried externally by swimmers. However, aquatic animals possess these in the form of adaptations. Let us have a look at the various adaptations seen in aquatic animals. The first on our list is a streamlined body. A streamlined body means having tapering ends and bulged center. Somewhat like this. If you observe the fish carefully, their body is streamlined. But why do we say it's an adaptation? This streamlined shape helps them overcome the resistance of water as they can cut through it easily. Another adaptation is the presence of lateral line sense organs. Let's see what these are. Lateral means situated laterally at the side. Line means lining the body. Sense organs, needless to say, are the ones that help in sensing. So, many aquatic animals, especially fish, have organs for sense vibrations in water. These are situated from the head to the tail on both the sides. Aquatic animals do have one more special characteristic. It's their fins. They possess both paired and unpaired fins to help them perform various functions inside water. These functions include maintaining their depth, stability, control locomotion, and much more. These were a few adaptations that are seen in aquatic animals. Until now, we have taken a look at the various adaptations seen in organisms living in different habitats. Right from the hot desert regions to the snow-clad mountains, from the dry grasslands to the aquatic habitats, we have seen how a variety of creatures living in these surroundings modify themselves for better survival. Next, let's have a look at an interesting concept of characteristics that define life.